Oh, hello there. What? Please construct a new house. This is the house we're building. Yes, if you're gonna take, you're gonna take my skin and put it there. Well, let us do it. Oh, yes! This is so pain. Wow, look at that. Keenan. Hey, look. Hey. Oh, yeah, I want that door dash. Oh, look. Don, maybe thank you for giving me this gift. I maybe did that. It's wonderful as it is. Wow, look. I wanted that house. It's royal. It's so majestic. Yes, it is so majestic. Yeah, it's so majestic. Yes, it's so majestic and glorious. What? Look at this. Run. Yeah, that's right. Look at that one. Run, that one. Look, it's a castle. Whoa! Hey, look at this. That's all funny. Look at this army before. No. Look at this. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wow, maybe not lost. Hey guys, again. Hey. Yes! Yes! Everyone is coming in! Yes! Geometry dash. Geometry dash. Why can't we go in? Because you are so ugly. What did you say? Whoever is inside of this house will get stoned to death. Not us, but the one over. Go inside. It's not for you. This is not. This is the king. It's the king. Ah, shoot the maggot! Look at the maggot! I will help you, king, to punch all of them. Did you know that the queen uh um the British Empire had the biggest empire in the world, but it still is still here to these modern days. Did you, did you know that up until 1917 the royal family had no surnames? Did you know that Princess Diana, before Princess Diana became a literal princess, she actually was a teacher who teaches children. Don't take me up. Yeah. Sisters and ACIs. Thank you for letting digress. The end.